Assalamu alaikum everyone, and now I am going to welcome you back again on Math Matters. As I have promised that I am going to show you the prime factorization type or Euclid type LCM and HCF. You need to learn actually the LCM mostly, because on the next fraction chapter we will need that part. You can see the next chapter is 8, which is fraction, but hopefully I am going to do that after data collection chapter. And now let's go back to the LCM part. Only I am going to show you the LCM on now, okay? And HCF, if you want to do HCF in that way, please let me know in the comment below, or you can knock me personally so that I can make another video for HCF. I am going to just write down the LCM part only for now. Sometimes people will tell you that why you are doing extra thing and why you are not going for only your books. But I believe that if I teach my student, actually to you, if I keep you updating like little bit for next class, then that will be a great help. Okay, seriously, and I really love that, to make you little bit, what should I say, updated or upgraded, doesn't matter, updated. Okay, let's see. Suppose we are going to write down the LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4. How to do that one? At first we are going to write down the L shape over here. Simple, just simple HF. Okay, then you can see we have to choose one number which can divide 3 and 4 both together at a time. Okay, we should divide both of the number, but as you can see 3 and 4 cannot be divided with the same number, so we will go for what? We will go for one only, 3 and 4. If you divide 3 with 1, the answer is 3. If you divide 4 with 1, then the answer is 4. Your LCM will be there. For LCM is equal to 1 into 3 into 4. Then 1 into 3 is 3. 3 4s are 12. Oh my god, so easy. See, you can do that way also. It's pretty easy way to do this kind of math LCM by yourself. It takes a less amount of time than the other procedure. Let's do the another one. Which one we can actually divide something? 3 and 9. Suppose we are going to find out the LCM of 3 and 9. On the time, what we can do, we can choose what number? 1, yes, possibly. 2, no. 3, oh yes, with 3 we can divide 3 and 9, both of them. Let's go for 3 then. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. If I divide 3 with 3, then we'll get 1. If we divide 9 with 3, then we'll get 3. Therefore, another time we don't have any another number, so we are not going to go for 1 as it is a next line. This one, for we just need to show you that part. This is why I write down 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 is the total multiplication actually means 9. Voila, it's done. Now, if you want to know more, then definitely I am going to teach you more. Let's do for any other number. Let's think of 24 and 40. 24 and 40. Another thing I want to remind you is, whenever we are going to do that kind of prime factorization, please remember one thing. We are going to go for the smallest number first, as both of them are, what should I say, even number. So we will definitely go for the prime number 2. This is actually called prime factorization, and another way we can also call them Euclid method. Okay, let's see. 2 with 2, if we divide 24, then the answer is 12. And if we divide 40, then answer is 20. Wow, You can see that I'm not writing exactly in the under. Okay, I'm just touching the first and last number. Oops, this one is way gone far. This is totally fine because I'm going to make, pyramid type shape. Okay, another time we can divide with, definitely with 2. I'm going for 2 because it's the rule. If you go for the smallest number, it will make your life much more easier. You will not make that many of mistake. If you divide 12 with 2, then the answer is 6, and here 20, then the answer is 10. Can you divide with 2 another time? Oh yes, we can do more. 2 is 3 and 5. I hopefully understand that how we are doing that. Now with 3 and 5, we cannot go for 2, no, 3, no, 5, no, because both of them are actually prime numbers. We are not going to do that anymore. Therefore, LCM is 2 multiplied all of them. Look, all of them. As I have written down that all of them, here will be all of them. There are 3 2's. Oopsie, I am writing 3 again and again. So what would be your LCM now? Can you see? What would be your LCM now? 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. Okay, 8 3's are what be? 24, 24 5's are 120. You can do rough for that one. I am not doing because I am just showing you how to do that one. That's it. This is the way you can do in very short time a long HCF number. Eraser, Mr. Eraser is over here. Now the last one I am going to show you is 3 number. Oh my god, you heard me right? Yes, you heard me right. We are going to go for the 3 number. There is a small trick about it. I hope that you will understand and try to go for this easy simple method. For 3 number, you have to make sure that for LCM, there is 2 different rules for LCM and HCF. I am only teaching you the LCM part now. If you want to learn about the HCF part, then please let me know in the comment below. You can see there is a comment box, and now you can see that we have 3 integers or 3 numbers, and we are going to do the math. Let's do that. At first, we cannot divide 9 with 2. We can divide 12 with 2 and also 18 with 2. So you can see we can do division with 2 number for the prime number 2. So definitely we will go. It's not needed for LCM to divide all of the number. At least 2 numbers should be get divided. Okay, at least 2 number. Never ever make mistake about that. It's the LCM part formula. Okay, so I'm dividing with 2. So 9. You are asking me, Miss, what will happen to 9? 9 will just remain in its place. Doesn't matter. It will be just as it is. Now if you divide 12 with 2, you know the answer is 6. I need to put it that little bit bigger. Now if you divide 18, then we will get 9. Now you can see that we are having 9, 6 and 9. We cannot divide both 9 with 2. We can divide 6 with 2. But as we cannot divide at least 2 numbers, so we will leave that 2 out of our life for now. And we will go for the next prime number is 3. 3 can divide all of them. It's totally fine and easy. Let's see. 3, 2 and 3. As you can see, we have at 3 again and 1, 2. We will go for 3 because we need to divide at least 2 numbers. So again 3, 1, 2, 1. You can see if we cannot divide any number, then it is just jumping up as it is. Just write it. You don't have to go for it. You don't have to divide it. At least 2 numbers should be divided. That's it. Now the LCM is 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1. As you know that with multiplication 1 is actually doesn't make any change. So we are just going to write down 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. The whole thing is 36. Yes, 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 6 6 are 36. This is the way actually for the prime factorization. Prime factorization. If you want to use this kind of LCM for this math also, let me show you. LCM, oh, that one, you can see that one and that one. If you want to go to use this formula for this two math, I welcome you. There is no problem, you can do that as I have already showed you how to do it. Okay, and this is all for today, and take care and bye bye. See you on next class.